meeting each other face to face. It's part of what we are and who we are.
So, event will definitely play a huge role in the economic recovery.
But now we are in the new normal. And guess what? Our Easyfairs business model is already well adapted to that normal.
Our smart badge technology is the safest way to visit an event because it's completely contactless. For instance, you can get information from suppliers without even touching a brochure, datasheet or any surface at all. Ching.
Our all-in stands make life easy and safe for exhibitors. Your stand is ready and waiting for you to do business on the first day of the event.
And it's cost effective. That's going to help companies of all sizes to restart their business and make sales. On top of that, our stands are reusable, which is good for the environment.
Most of our events are local, which is good news to companies and individuals looking for suppliers closer to home. And another bonus for the environment, as there's less need to travel.
So, Easyfairs is easy on your budget, easy on your time, and easy on the environment.
We are really keen to get back to serving communities. Your industry, you.
We can't wait to welcome you again, and we are doing everything to make it safe.